So welcome back. Welcome to Module 4 and Scratch Interaction for Gaming. In Module 3, we looked at the very beginnings of interaction between the program and a human user. We limited our interaction in that first module, in Module 3, to interaction through the keyboard, through text entered into a text box. What we want to look at in this module is other ways of getting interaction that most people would consider more like video game interaction. For those of you who are into computer science, you might also think about this as a form of event-driven programming. We're going to look at interaction through events through the mouse and through events on the keyboard in this module. We're going to start this module a little differently than some of the previous modules. In most of the previous modules, I've begun the module by showing you some things and eventually building up to a task. In this particular module, I'm actually going to have you begin by starting with a task. So on the Course Builder website, you'll find a link for a zip file which contains some code for this first task for Module 3. And if you download that code to your desktop and open that code, unzip that code, you should be able to open these programs. And so remember how we do this. We go File and Upload from your computer, and on my desktop then there are these 5 programs that I'd like you to look at for this task. And so for each one you're going to upload that file. Yes, go ahead and replace it. And you're going to interact with the program. I'd like you to look at the code, go through the sprites and look at what the code is doing, hit the green flag, see how the program is run, and then while you're doing that you'll discover that also in that folder is a question sheet with a series of questions that I would like you to answer. Maybe 4 or 5 questions for most of these 5 programs. And so I'd like you to take the time to explore the code, see how each program behaves, what it does, and how the programmer got that to work. And in the next video, then we'll start to sort of debrief this and talk about what you should have observed.